All right, so here is the last time you're going to see the Evo looking this disheveled. We're starting the Evo project, which is good. Here at Jay's Garage, most people finish off with paint. We're starting with paint because that's what we've got. The engine is done. We're waiting on the head, but the engine is built. We'll put that together. I got to get my Corvette tires out of here. I also have to find the transmission because we're going to ship the transmission to Shep Trans, and he's going to, that doesn't open, does it? We're going to ship the transmission out to Shep Trans to be built. This thing, we're going to paint the roll cage while it's here. I got to find the trans first off, but then we're sending it out. Shivam just picked up a body kit. Shivam, let's crack it open. A knife? Just use your fingers. It's plastic. Here, Shivam, it's dirty, so I'll do it. You can't be the only. I have to time lapse. It's taking me longer than I thought. Yeah, but it's less dramatic. All right, so the goal here was there's a company that has, similar to the Voltex kit. I'm going to say similar because that's a nice way to say it's probably the Voltex kit. But this is well packaged. They're painting it. You're gonna put me out of my misery here? We have a knife.
Make your life a little easier.
Thank you. Oh yeah. All right, these modern conveniences. Let's see, hit that little thing right there. That should open that up. Put that there. All right, so I am not the biggest fan of body kits, but Shivam is. Shivam had this. All right. Are we the wrong way? It goes this way, right? This is the front? No, this is the back. This is the rears.
Should we go test fit it?
Yeah, let's go test fit them. Yeah, I like that. Here, you take that one. Dave, you want to start opening the other one?
Sure.
So are these layover fenders?
Yeah, the rears you can't.
Oh, baby. Oh, this needs the other bumper, though.
Yeah, needs JDM.
Which we have. We have the JDM bumper. So that goes in there, and that goes. I mean, this isn't my job to figure out how to make this work. But Jay will figure it out. Is it for the right car? This isn't going to fit the rear bumper, but it'll fit the front. Now, what do you have? A JDM front bumper or rear bumper?
Yeah.
And we have this. I don't know where it came from, but we have this front bumper, which looks like an eBay front bumper, which we're going to paint for now. But I think Shivam wants to get what is it? The
Matching Voltex.
is it the Voltex, or you want like the hill climb, like wings and flaps?
Yeah, look at that. That's sweet.
That looks terrible.
No, that'll be good.
I think so.
No, I mean it'll work, but it looks terrible. What do you do between the door and the?
What do you mean?
It just has a ridge between the door and the.
No, it fits. What are you talking about?
All right, let's go. I'm not sold yet. What is this? This is the front? Let's give that. Oh, what is these? Oh, these are the cover the door there?
They're those go on the rears as well.
So that goes to fit that gap. You're
Yeah.
shooting the floor. I'm up here. Hi.
I don't get paid enough.
I mean, there's really not much to these things. But it looks better than what you currently have on here, which is nothing. This doesn't fit at all. Like, I'm not gonna lie. No. Like, I don't see any conceivable way this is gonna bolt on.
I think it has to go over this ridge.
What do you mean it has to go over? I don't think,
Like,
I think,
this has to go align with this.
what?
This hole has to align with that.
Yeah, great. Now what? This definitely has to line up to
Yeah,
that.
I think there's some flex. Like there's some flex. Like you gotta muscle it in. Like
I mean,
this
that's
goes,
a-
This goes. Look, hold on. There you go. Shit.
What?
But see, you gotta get it under here. Like it takes like 2 people to align it probably, and you're gonna put some tension on the piece, which is what you probably want to do. You get some muscle. Well, you also bolt it down here, and then you move the light in. I mean,
All right. I'm seeing some vision.
I think it's flexed, so you gotta wait till it all gets screwed in, and it should be fine.
It looks slightly better with that on than without it.
Wait till it gets painted.
Yeah, once it gets painted and Jay makes it look like a car, it'll look much better. But even this isn't even straight. Like, I guess that's the difference. Like this, like if you look at it, it doesn't match anything that would look like a piece. But this stuff wasn't particularly cheap either. Side skirts. So the only thing we don't have right now is a hood, but you could definitely rock a car without a hood for quite some time. We have a front bumper. We're gonna just paint this one. It's in there. I mean, I guess these go under. Yeah, it'll go in the door like that. How's that look? It's the closest anything's come to fitting so far.
Yeah, Jay will make it look good.
Yeah, but the thing is, you have these gaps, these panel gaps now, between the doors recessed and everything else.
That's how the kit works.
I'm not a big kick guy, right? Like, oh, I guess that's this piece that goes there covers that.
Yeah, grab this one and see how it fits with the side skirt.
Well, no, because that side skirt's, I mean, if it's going to fall on the ground, it'll fall on the ground, but let's see, you need this one here. Oh, wait, this has got to go underneath that. Yeah. So, we'll get this into paint. There's another YouTube channel, Sarah and Tuned, is going to be coming out here and assembling everything. So we'll get it all done in about 2 weeks. My job now is to see what works, what doesn't work, and order everything that we need. And it'll probably be two trips for her to come out and say like, hey, we're missing this, this, and this, and then we'll put it together. But we should have this thing rocking and rolling in about 6 weeks. Because all it is now assembling parts. We don't have to strip down a motor. We've already built the block. The head will be done. It'll be attached to the engine. So all it is really assembling everything into one. And I'm excited for that. I think it's going to come out pretty good. It's going to be a fun car. It's going to be a complete waste of money, but that's what everybody likes to see, is people dumping a lot of money. And the fact that I'm building a house right now, which is taking up a lot of my time, I can do this and then keep doing everything else. And it's a slow time of year rental-wise. Up until the Super Bowl, January is a very quiet time, so I swore to myself I was going to get the truck done, I'm going to get the donk fixed, and I'm going to get the Evo done. So it's a transitional year to actually finish stuff, and then I can push it all to the side and start getting other fun stuff that I want to get involved with. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Jay should have this thing painted, let's just say in a couple of days, and we'll at least have something that looks a heck of a lot better than this. See you later. For those of you not familiar with my other company, I started a company called Adventure Drives, which combines driving and bucket list travel. It's a lot of fun. If you're interested, prices can be done per person. Don't worry if you don't have somebody to go with you, we can match you up with somebody. You can check the link in the description for adventuredrives.com and sign up today.